guys, welcome to my channel The S Way. This is me Sampriti. This is a fashion video wherein we are going to talk about the fashion that ruled 2000. Do you remember the movie Dil Chahta Hai? Of course you do. And yes, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, I mean like the poo, yeah, all that. So in those movies, if you remember that satin ruled, right? Everything there in those movies were all about satin, bling and the dazzle. So yeah, and yes, I'm pretty sure it goes without saying that you guys are on Instagram and you have noticed influencers who are now back to satin. That means that satin is now trending again. And yes, so there are all these napkin satin dresses, looks very very sexy. Yeah, so I did realize that satin do have that vibe which brings class and fashion and all that together and brings in that awesomeness. So I thought that why not to make a video for you all wherein I will show you how to style a satin outfit. In fact, I want to show you that how you can design a satin outfit for yourself and wear it, style it. So by styling I mean that I'm not a fashion designer or a makeup artist, right? But what I tell you in this channel is that how you can style a complete look, wherein I talk about how to do the makeup, at least the basic makeup of it, how to select outfits and the colors that you wear, and yes, how to accessorize them. These are the three elements which are going to be in this video. In addition to this, I will also tell you that how you too can design your own outfit from scratch and just slay the satin look. So let's begin this video. First, I will show you how to get the makeup done because it will be all glowy and shiny, and then I will show you the outfit plus the accessories. Let's begin. So let's start with skin preparation. First, I'm using this Mamaearth Vitamin C face toner and I will apply it all over my face. This helps close your pores. And here is Biotic Dandelion Serum and I will give a good massage on my skin. It really feels great after the massage. Yeah, so this helps your skin prepare for the base makeup. And here is Maybelline Concealer, which I'm going to use under my eyes and over the lids, and will dab it with my fingers because it works perfectly that way. And this will conceal the dark areas. Oh wait, here I decided to dance. Okay, so dab 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 and get the concealer set. Okay, what's happening here, girl? Oh, looks like you have misplaced your foundation. Okay, now this feels like 100 years, dude. Anyway, finally, so this is Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, which I absolutely love because it feels amazing on skin. It's light and it gives a glow. Here is our NYX makeup setting spray, and I'm using a bit of it on my foundation brush because it helps apply the foundation smoothly all over my face. And now dab 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 and the foundation is set. As you can see, Nykaa foundation gives a very beautiful glow. Well, here is my eyeshadow palette where I'm using the 3 different tones of eyeshadows. The darker will be going on the crease area, as you can see. Followed with it, the eyelid will have lighter shimmering pink shade. Here I'm applying with the dab 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 motion, just mix everything very well, and the lightest glittering shade will go in between the eyelid, as you can see here. And the same color, the one that I use in the crease area, I have applied on the lower eyelashes, and that I have extended in the form of a wing, as you can see. So on both the eyes, we will draw a wing with the same dark eyeshadow. Now I'm using the lighter pink shade that I used on the eyelid, in the inner eye corners, because this helps brighten up your eyes. And here goes the falsies. Okay, so what I'm doing here is that I'm using my concealer to keep the wing very clean. As you can see, I'm removing any extra fallouts under my wing so that the wing looks sharp and pretty. If there is anything which is not okay under your eyes with the eyeshadow, you can use a concealer and conceal it. And let's fill the eyebrows now. Here I'm going with highlighting the eye bone over there just under my eyebrows with the highlighters. This also helps give a very finished look to your makeup. Also, I did not, I don't know, I somehow deleted the record, but I did apply mascara here. And it's time for blush. It's the favorite time of doing makeup. Oh, I love putting on blush. Put it on your cheeks, on your nose, and give a very beautiful color on your face. Alrighty, next what? Okay, so this is Revolution highlighter and I absolutely love it. It gives a very beautiful subtle glow to my face, as you just see here. I'll apply it on my nose bone and on the cupid's bow on my lips and a little bit on my cheekbones. Do you see that? Do you see that glow? Yeah? Amazing, amazing highlighter. Do you see the glow? Yeah, it's the best. Love it. So I think the makeup is coming very well together. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, so this is again the NYX makeup setting spray, and we'll just go with a bit of spray on my face. This helps everything to melt down and look like one. You know, it just blends well with the skin. Okay, so I think missed wearing my lip shade, but I did. It is by K Beauty Rom-Com, and now on top of it I'm using a K Beauty highlighter, lip highlighter. The highlighter basically brings that metallic effect on your lips, which I thought will go very well with the satin outfit. So just slightly dabbing just in between, because I don't want to put a lot of it, so just slightly dabbing it in the mid part of your lips. That should do, I guess. So the whole makeup to me looks like very glowy, light, and I would like to say pretty. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, so here are the hoop earrings in the form of rectangles, and I'm done. Ta-da! So there we go. Let's come to outfit, and I chose the safest satin color possible, which is in between peach and orange, as you can see. And I styled, or rather designed, this wraparound dress. I always wanted one, and the tie-up, as you can see, goes at an angle in front, which I think is very stylish. And the complete look, you know, from fabric to stitching, everything cost me around in some total of 600 to 700. And you see the tie around, it is in angle, so that brings the style and the uniqueness to this outfit. Also, because it's satin and it's all about dazzle, I am accessorizing everything, like the purse, shoes, the bangles, my watch and earrings. Everything is in golden, because I thought that the satin is very well complemented with other dazzling accessories, and hence this, because it makes the entire look very fancy, don't you think? So here it is, the complete satin look, which has resurrected from 2000s and is ruling today. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This video was a very complete package to styling. It does not only talk about makeup, outfit or exercising, but it also talks about how you can create an outfit from scratch. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please do hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. You can also click the bell button down there so that you get notification every time I upload a video. And yes, do leave a comment down there and tell me if you like this video, and also what else you would like to see. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, this is Sampriti signing off. Bye.